Wealthy Affiliate Partner Program Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'm going to review the Wealthy Affiliate Partner Program and share my experience using it. Links to the program are provided in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. Wealthy Affiliate is an all-in-one platform designed to help people build and scale online businesses, particularly for affiliate marketing. Their partner program allows you to earn commissions by referring new members to the platform, making it ideal for people who are already working in online marketing or blogging and want to monetize their audience. One of the key features of the Wealthy Affiliate Partner Program is the recurring commissions. You can earn commissions on both premium memberships and starter memberships that you refer. For premium members, you can earn around $23 per month in recurring commissions, while starter members provide you with a one-time fee of $11 per sale. This is a great option if you want to create a long-term revenue stream. The program is designed for anyone looking to teach or promote affiliate marketing, particularly those who are involved in blogging, digital marketing, and content creation. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, Wealthy Affiliate offers tools, training, and resources to help you promote the program effectively. With features like customizable banners, tracking links, and a robust affiliate dashboard, they make it easy to track your performance and manage referrals. Wealthy Affiliate also offers valuable training for affiliates to learn how to market the program successfully. This is perfect for anyone who's new to affiliate marketing or wants to improve their strategy. You'll have access to resources like training videos, articles, and live chat support to get help whenever you need it. In summary, the Wealthy Affiliate Partner Program is a solid choice for anyone in the online business and affiliate marketing space with generous recurring commissions, easy-to-use tools, and valuable training. Be sure to check out the link in the description to get started today.